Greetings, my name is Rob McCoy of RAM Communications, and in this segment of Telecom 101, we're going to focus on those of you whose businesses are planning a new construction or perhaps a build out of your existing office space. We want to make sure you are aware of what you need to do to ensure your telecommunications are installed properly. These tips will help you save time, money, and avoid unnecessary headaches along the way. Here's rule 1. There is a specific order you want to follow as you plan out your building project. The sequence is critical. Do not make the same mistakes countless others have. Be sure to confirm what types of carrier services are available at the proposed address you're moving to or that you want to build at. Ask for a site survey at the new address. Bring along your phone tech or your technology expert and survey the telco room or the electrical room, depending on the situation. If you're planning on building a single occupancy space, in other words, your own building, ask your neighbors which services are available in the immediate area. I know this sounds basic, but if you forget to perform this critical step, then be prepared to be disappointed. We have found in many circumstances that it is not unusual for clients to pay $50,000 to $100,000 in installation fees for brand new infrastructure. So, if you are looking for a fiber connection or a cable connection and none is currently available, you might want to consider looking at another location. Rule 2. Review the floor plans with your telecom experts. They will need to review the plans to make sure their infrastructure is documented and sufficient for their needs. Remember, it is always easier and cheaper to install all the wiring, your wall jacks, your other low voltage items before the walls are installed. If anything gets missed, it's going to be much more costly to open up a wall after it's been installed. Rule 3, power. Make sure you have enough of it. While the power company's infrastructure doesn't fall under telecom guidelines, power, or lack thereof, will certainly affect how your phones and internet perform. Be sure your general contractor is aware of the IT and telecom systems and their power requirements ahead of time. Like your low voltage, it will be very costly and disruptive to upgrade power capacity after the building has been completed. Rule 4. Create and install and test your backup systems. There is no better time to plan for disaster recovery than during new construction. If you add redundant power, voice, and internet services to your construction plan, you will actually save time and money. Why? You will have all the available resources on hand to collaborate, design, and test these systems for your business needs. Take advantage of the help you have in place during construction to help finish this critical step before you open your doors. Rule 5. Test, test, test. Test all your systems as much as possible before you open your doors. Remember, there will be gaps and errors along the way during the construction phase. Testing will expose potential problems and allow your vendors to fix any issues before you open your doors for business. Follow these tips, and you will be sure to save time, money, and a lot of aggravation during your project. Thank you for your time. I hope that you found this video valuable. If you have any further questions or concerns, contact RAM today. We have the resources, knowledge, and experience to help you and your organization. We pride ourselves on finding the best performing solutions to meet your budget, your technical needs, and your performance needs. Call us today or visit our website.